What a beautiful morning to fish. Let's take a look at the tackle. We have the St. Croix Triumph 7-foot with the Shimano SLX CI4 Plus, 3000 size. The bait is a KVD 1.5 squarebill crankbait, and it is 8-pound test Sunline Sniper fluorocarbon. And yes, it was sprayed with KVD line and lure. Going after smallmouth today. You guys have seen me fish here before. The biggest fish I've ever caught here is like a pound. This place here is about a lot more than just fishing. It's enjoying nature, being outside. Got my spinning rod, my crankbait, just to have some fun. No more of the KVD. We are going to throw, you like how I said we? This Rapala UL crank. Actually, we are going to throw UL crank. Nope. Listen here. All right, last cast coming up, and then we're just gonna hop over to the next cascade. Hop over? Okay. You tried to fight. Not a 5-pounder yet.
He's a fat one.
Did I just have one jump at it right there? That's funny. I did. And he came back for it. Yes. I told you. I told you one jumped at it. That's like this. That's one of the smallest smallmouth I've ever caught. Knew that weed would come off. Burn it.
Fast. Faster.
Spinning. Say hi to YouTube. Oh, right into that current. Get out of there. Well, if I had to count on today's fishing to survive, like for food, I wouldn't. But okay, that was slick. As soon as it landed. Again, dink. But still, that was fun. Oh, get out of that rock. What are you doing? Don't fall. Just let the GoPro roll. My bait tangled. No. Stop getting tangled. I have to work in 2 hours. This little Rapala is doing the trick. Ah. Get out of there. He's stuck in the rock. Just great. I had a good one too. Well, not a good one, but oh yeah, ruin the fishing spot while you're at it, genius. If this GoPro gets wet, that won't be good. Did I take my wallet? Yeah, my wallet's over there, my phone's over there. Okay. I got it. You know what though? I lost a couple fish today, but I'm having fun. Oh, don't fall. Melon perch. Let's get this bad boy tied on. I think it was down here. Actually, it was. Out of the water. There we go. Maybe like, I don't know, urban creek fishing. Why not? But anyway, I gotta go to work. I hope you guys enjoyed. Absolutely terrible video quality. All I have on me is my cell phone, but you guys gotta check the sky out.